Need help setting up your new electric suite? This short video is designed to give you some handy tips on the use and maintenance of your Gazco eStudio Arosa or Cerreto electric suite. We always recommend purchasing from one of our expert retailers. To get the most of our after-sales care and your full extended warranty, first head online to our website and register your fire. By registering your fire, you will automatically be entered into a draw to win the cost of your product back. The eStudio Arosa and Cerreto are equipped with both manual and remote controls and can be used with or without the heat for stunning visuals all year round. The manual control can be accessed from the top right of the appliance. From here, turn on the fire rocker switch. A beep will sound and the fire is now ready for use using the simple controls next to it. These electric suites come with our latest eco-design technology, which allows you to not only have manual control, but also thermostatic and even 7-day programmable control over your fire. These advanced functions and features are covered extensively within the instruction manual supplied. Here are the basic controls. First, press the power button on your remote handset to turn the fire on. If the fire has been in standby mode, it will display the last remembered settings. Press the flame effect button and scroll either right or left to select any of the 3 flame effects available. The plus or minus buttons will determine the brightness. To change the fuel bed lighting, simply press the fuel bed button and scroll left or right and select from one of the 13 different colours, or the spectrum mode if preferred, which gently cycles through them all. Again, the plus or minus buttons determine the brightness. These suites also feature downlighting in the upper section and floor lighting for a soft coloured diffusion on the floor. To change these, press the downlight button, followed by the left or right arrow to cycle through the same 13 colours, plus a 14th spectrum mode. Again, use the plus or minus buttons for brightness. For optimal effect of the soft floor lighting, we recommend the suites are not positioned on dark reflective surfaces such as laminate flooring. If needed, the floor lighting can be disconnected. The heater button will turn on the heater. Use the plus or minus buttons to select your desired room temperature. Pressing the power button will turn the fire off. These electric suites offer an eye-catching display. Simply follow the log layout in the instruction manual for the best configuration of the glass burnt embers and the lifelike log effect. Maintenance of these fires is very simple. The fuel effect is instantly accessible and can be dusted with a lint-free duster or washed, dried thoroughly and returned to the fire as described in the instruction manual. After removing the fuel effect, use the soft brush attachment of a vacuum cleaner to remove any dust and debris from any ventilation grills. Most maintenance problems are usually the result of low batteries, so can be solved simply by replacing the batteries in the handset. Although there is a handy battery status at the top right of the LED screen, if this displays empty for a while, the LED may go blank, but the remote itself might operate the fire. To solve this, simply replace the batteries. Slide off the back and replace as needed. We recommend AAA Duracell Pro Cell or equivalent high-quality alkaline batteries. We love hearing from you and seeing your fantastic installations, so please do follow us on social media and share your photos using Stovac's Gazco. You can also upload your photos or a few nice words to our customer showcase area on our website, which gains you a second entry to win back the cost of your product. As always, please feel free to leave us a review on Google or Trustpilot. We hope this video has given you everything you need to get you up and running with your fantastic new Gazco eStudio Arosa or Cerreto 140.